Howdy, this is Chris Cartea, and here we have what's called the Ultra Match 2. Now, what is the difference between the Ultra Match 1 and 2? Okay, this is an 18 kilogram, okay, but it has one significant feature. It has a Magnus plunger, as you can see, and I've been using this blaster, which I fixed the catch on it. I had a problem with the catch. I mean, I don't know what's going on with this one, but it just had trouble with the catch. And fixed the catch on it. And I've been playing around with an idea. The idea is that coupling, okay? Now you see the 9/16 on the outside, it got another 30 seconds in there. The idea I've been having is to stretch this 9/16 all the way back and put an insert on it, that's 73 seconds, that you pop out of the front, load in the back, and throw in there. So I decided to try it with a 1/2-inch tube in 17 seconds and use gray dice. Now these came from my friend Castile Angel, who's on YouTube. Check out his channel, really great channel. And here's the deal. Okay, so you take this, you put it in, right? So it's got duct tape regulating the front of it. And you do this. All of a sudden I got the, you know. Okay, so you do this, and you just put this in like so. So now it's got a coupler on it, alright? Which now it can, you know, here, let me get the shot of this. This is really cool. Make it fire. Just like that. So I just threw a 1/2-inch dart at it. Okay. Now let's do some range tests with this, shall we? I'm going to put this camera on the hallway. The hallway is about 30 feet. Okay. And I'm going to show you what this can do. So now you can have backloading on an Ultra Match. I'm working on it at the moment. Because a lot of people don't like the pen feeding, but the problem is, I mean, I went through pen feeding just fine. I went through 4 or 5 magazines in the rounds. I used the Bird of Prey as a primary, and I played yesterday. Dude, I went through like 100 rounds in a game. I mean, I got 15 hits. I got 9 kills with the pistol. I got another 6 hits and 3 kills with the Retaliator, because I've been using these as primaries lately, trying to get used to them. If you get used to it, it's like any system, guys. But of course, you know, I understand. The customer wants what they want. I understand. So let's take this right here and let's do some shooting. Okay. So here we are. Sorry about the clothes, guys. I've just been real busy lately, doing a lot of stuff. So you put it in like so. You twist it in there. Take your little finger there. And you push it in. You put it in like so. Put this in there. And, see that? I mean, it goes lasers, man. It's pretty cool. So I decided to try this on a blaster. It has a little more air on it. You know? It has 2.6 cubic inches of air. Rather than, I believe, 2.1 cubic inches of air. I think I calculated. Something like that. Yeah, it's just below 2.1 on one of my normal Ultra batches. So it has a little more air. As you can see, Tyler's darts are just going nuts against that mahogany door over there. Alright? So let's shoot one more. Okay. What shall we shoot? Should we try shooting that doorknob over there? Let's see if we can hit that doorknob. Okay. Dude, right below it. Wow. Wow. That was pretty good. I'm going to try to hit that again. One more, guys. One more. I think I just didn't put the dart in all the way. So I'm going to try one of these where the felt tip is around it. It's not too oversized. Okay, so these are gray foam, number 6 washer, felt pads in the front. Pretty good. Pretty good. I'm going to put it in again. Okay, let's try that again. Ah, that was a little too loose. So, there you go. Pretty good, huh? So, and anywho, this can fit right inside of it, and I can make it so either this rim hugs the 17 seconds or the other rim, and it has some grease on it. You can see the black where it's going into it. So, and anywho, might be the coupler answer, as I could just make the whole thing here, I could make that out of like 9/16 and then make this whole backload 17/32. That might be a good idea rather than using PVC that has any variable width from 1/2 inch to 0.46, which I just think is bad standards. And plus, why is this barrel like this? Why is it glued to the plunger? So there's the plunger tube, so there's no leakage. It defeats the whole purpose by using coupler. So I'd rather invent something of my own that doesn't have any leaks on it. So take care.